All right, back for NY. NFP in 1 hour. 1 hour to go. Gold has slowly been trickling up, pulling back, pushing up, pulling back. Look at these wicks. And now we're falling. One thing to look for during NFP, I would say, is the dollar index. So I keep the 4 hour levels marked up, like the strong levels. Right now, it's pushing away. So it has been for the past couple days. It's been pushing away from this 4 hour resistance. I mean, just technically, for me, it looks like the dollar index is going down, which would mean gold is going up, and also the stocks. So I'm thinking gold buyers for NFP, maybe jump on a wave and continue up. That's just based on the DXY. So GJ didn't quite come down to this daily support like I thought it would after this drop. It did tap this support, and this support is the reason I didn't take any sells below this daily support, the 4 hour support. And then look, it tapped and then slowly been pushing back up. But we've tapped the daily again and pushed down. So I'm not sure how much further GJ is going to go for now. What's up, Caswell? We're back. So yeah, I don't really have any predictions for NFP. I think gold might continue to push because it has been, and sometimes a lot of news is priced in. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the news today. I hope it does something. I hope it does something. But pound yen, what I was looking at is this support here, this support right here. We closed above, got the continuation candle, we pushed up. Because it's not really a time that I like to enter trades, I didn't get in. But I still marked it up. Would have got to, what, 30 pips? Did have some pullbacks. Here. But, you know, kept on pushing. Now we tapped the daily and pull back from the daily. This daily flips bullish. And we can finally get above this resistance. We'll be breaking a 4 hour high too. And pushing up. I don't know, man. These 4 hour candles, they look very rejection-y right here. Lots of 4 hour rejections. Don't really like it. So I'm kind of more inclined for the sells on pound yen. Well, it all depends on that daily candle, which it didn't quite fill yesterday's wick. But yeah, 100 pips towards this daily support. We could get there. We could get there with news. It's not crazy. Trading dance time, that's right. Come on, first stream, NY. Gotta have some music. Music should make the price move, you know? Yeah, no move just yet. I took this support off because now, because it's been broken, this is the new this is my new range. And this resistance and this support here. So 80 pip range, we're right in the middle. GJ loves to range. It does. But what I like about GJ is even when it's ranging, it will play the range. It will, you know, push from the lows to the highs, and then from the highs to the lows. It will retrace them. So yeah, I don't mind when GJ is ranging. As long as it's a clean range, like this today. This earlier, it wasn't a clean range. Because we had lots of supports and then the resistances, like it wasn't clean. This is one clean candle, 80 pips. Looks like we might be pushing to the top of this range if we can get above this daily. See, normally I'd look at past news and see how price reacted, but I think the couple NFPs before were kind of weak, if I remember correctly. Sort of the end of the year ones, price was a bit crap. Let's have a look. NFP December the 6th, let's check it out. Alright, December 6th. We'll see for gold first. December 6th. This was NFP, so it whipsawed. Whipsawed. Pushed up, pushed down. Ranged all morning. So yeah, not great price action. How many pips did it move? Moved 120 pips. 120 pips. Price action wasn't bullish like today is. Alright, pound yen. We're looking at December 6th. Let's check it out. 130. Oh, pound yen dropped. What were the results of that news now? Good numbers. Good numbers. The actual was more than forecast. So good employment numbers. They're only expecting 164k today, which is a drop from last month. Alright, GJ, you're going to get this wick fill, you're going to leave another rejection. hope we don't get another whipsaw, right? I really don't want another whipsaw as well. Got good numbers last time meant GJ sells. That's interesting. It's interesting. Let's see what the 1 o'clock candle does. See how market starts to set up. As much as we've pushed up from these 4 hour support, price has been on a downtrend. So I mean, you could mark, you know, back these trend lines. Don't really use them much, but I always look at what the market is doing. Kind of looks like it's been rejecting. See how this 1 hour candle closes. No trades taken today. Daily gonna flip bullish. Look at that rejection. Look at that rejection. We're gonna break that 30-minute high, then the 1 hour, want to do that. Alright, new 15-minute candle. Let's make a little bottom wick. Oh. This is where I want my buyers up here for sure. Ooh, gold. Another retest of this broken resistance. Gold pushes up. I think it's pushing into this 4-hour. 2690. Yeah, definitely. Look at the indecision on this 4-hour candle right now. Price was right before news. I think so. But you know, we've been saying that all morning. Nothing's gonna happen until news. Nothing major anyway. This drop was Bank of Japan news. I was listening to it on Bloomberg as well. They were talking about that. And talking about the interest rates and stuff. So that's kind of, I believe that's what that was. Just remarks and comments come up, just shift the market a little bit. This candle is not going anywhere, is it? What's this? It's been like 5 pips. It's not breaking the previous high yet. Oh, GJ is gonna make a lower high. Did the 30-minute break the high? It did by 0.3 pips. Nothing much. I wonder if gold should just shoot past this resistance if it pushes up. I'm not really too bothered about it. This here would be the main resistance anyway. But I would leave that one there. Or like a zone. I have a resistance zone. How much did GJ move last time? Let me check again. December 6th. Had a little... Oh, that's gold. I want to see GJ. Because GJ dropped, didn't it? That was it. Oh, that's 2 o'clock candle. This is the candle. 75 pips. Okay. boom, 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 boom. Gold looks like it's setting up for buyers. It really does. It really does. It looks like it's forming a support and a higher low to keep pushing up. The structure all day's been pretty bullish, hasn't it? So we'll see what happens when this new 1 hour candle, 1 o'clock candle opens. Sorry, could respect this support, continue up. I want to see what this 1 hour candle does. Hasn't broken a previous high yet. Let's keep tapping this daily. Just fill in the wick. So all week mainly gold buyers. Do you know what's crazy? I knew people that were taking gold sells, but I base my bias is based on the daily. So from Monday we created this support right here. Even though we pulled back, we did have a sell-off. We did pull back, but then Wednesday, so Monday we pulled back, closed above. Tuesday we formed the support, and then Wednesday we closed above this resistance. For me, that's obviously very bullish. It's a closure above on the daily. So I mean, all of this, it's been filling the previous daily wicks and then just continuing up. So any gold sells for me would have been short term, but the gold bias, it was respecting previous lows, it was breaking previous highs. For me, it was gold bias. Gold bias this week. It did have some good pullbacks though. It did. I mean, yesterday. I think it was, yeah, no, Wednesday. Look, Wednesday is like a 200 pip drop. So the pullbacks have been big pullbacks, but then yeah, it's just mainly been bullish really. Okay, 1 o'clock candle. Or is it gonna make a lower high? It's very in line with these highs right here. But for the news, could see a little break and retest, push up. Look where that closed. Very in line. Oh, we're finally pushing. Alright, here we go, the setup before news. Where we heading to? We finally gonna break above this resistance? Back to these numbers again, these prices. Been up here all morning. Or London session anyway. Pre-London. Ooh, GJ's coming down. I mean gold. "25 minutes, right before half past, we start to see the spreads widening. I'll split the screens. But 1 hour's broken these previous highs. Didn't break the lows. Back under the daily flip. So GJ's got to break that res if it taps again. Ha! GJ ain't got to do a thing. It's gonna do what it wants to do. GJ's gonna do what GJ wants to do. If it can even get there. If it can get there. If this 1 hour doesn't make a lower high and keep, you know, this kind of downtrend going. I'm more in favor of the buys, honestly, and that's because we bounced off a 4 hour level, off a 4 hour support. So honestly, if we can break these 4 hour highs, I think we'll keep going up. And I think I said it this morning, I was looking for the 4 hour to make a higher low. So this could be the candle, but then we didn't have this wick here, the previous 4 hour candle wick. So yeah, we could get another rejection up here and then flip bearish and fill this wick properly. Decisions, but really I just want to get up out of this range. Said gold's going up again. Oh yes. So we tapped the resistance again, broke the high. Oh yes. Oh yes. No, I kind of want to keep an eye on both. Let's do this. Do you know what I'm gonna put? Let me do it on Goldie. Just the resistance I want to break. Should put the daily back in. Just up there. Oh, I put it right on it. Perfect. What are you thinking, guys? Gold buys, GJ sells. Gold sells, GJ buys. What are we thinking? Okay, Caswell saying a bearish move on GJ. Love it, love it. I mean, the way this daily is staying bearish. This is the daily top wick. It's not much. So yeah, I think GJ is gonna go down like last time. I think gold will whipsaw, as in it will hit. It will have some movement, but it will hit a key level and then reject it. That's what I think anyway. But it all depends on them numbers, which are kind of low. They're lower than last time, lower than last month. But obviously, like January payrolls, I would expect it to be high because obviously you have Christmas hirings, you know, people having jobs over the Christmas period, Amazon take on extra people, post office take on extra people just for that holiday season. So I believe, you know, January payrolls would cover December. GJ is not very bullish vibes. It could have been the push up before the sells, no? Get a better price to sell off. Alright, just over 10 minutes to go. The annoying thing is, after news, still gotta wait for the candle to close before looking for any trades. Well, for me anyway. I still need a closure above or below. But I'm just hoping the news gives us some direction. Shit. Alright, let's get our buy stops and sell stops ready. Not really. Not really, not really. It's been a good start to the year. I don't want to start it getting smacked. No, thank you. Why stop only? That's brave, you know, that's brave. That's brave. That's too brave for me. The thing is, I can have an idea of what I want to see, but I'm not going to know because I don't know what the numbers are. Only people that do the numbers know what the numbers are, so all I can do is plan accordingly. If this happens, then I'm going to do that. Or if that happens, I'm going to do this. That's the only way to plan for news. Just be prepared both ways. Have your levels marked out. Do you know what I mean? What candles you're looking at. But never try guess beforehand. Like, try get in straight away. Surefire way to get smacked. I mean, it could go in your favor. Or it might not. It's a gamble. But yeah, I'd rather not gamble. Rather jump on a wave, you know, when it's already moving. That gold's already starting to bug out. Three minutes. I have to watch my actual broker as well. I can't watch TradingView because sometimes it lags. Doesn't give the actual prices. I need to see the real-time prices. Alright, the spread's starting to widen yet? Not yet. Now the spreads are moving. Oh yeah. Oh, spreads are getting crazy now. 7-10 pip spreads. Woo! Ho 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 ho. Yo, Caswell called it. He said GJ dropped. Look, gold dropped. Wowzers. Okay, Benny was right. GJ sells. Caswell was right. I mean, Benny said gold sells. Caswell said GJ sells. Look at gold. Tap this higher time frame support. Tap this 4 hour down here. Let me see what the results were. Must have been good numbers. Yes, good numbers. Good numbers. Way better than expected. Way better. So GJ formed that lower high. Beautiful. I wonder if gold's gonna bounce. I doubt it. DXY. Look at dollar. Slapped past this resistance. Slapped past. Everything drops. Well done on themselves. All right, gold is like 50 pips from where it says it is on here. I can't with these prices. Okay, my GJ is lagging a little bit too. Oh no, we're good, we're good, we're good. No, we're good. All right, GJ. The resistance is still strong. Yes, it is. It really is. Look, rejection candles on the 4 hour. You formed a lower high on the 1 hour. I hope you finally get a closure below. Just showing the rejection area down here. Said now where to get in. Facts. Now where to get in. All right, so I'm kind of looking for, honestly, I think a closure below this daily support. But you know what, I need a 30-minute. Now honestly, a closure below this here, closure below this support, and I'll be looking for sells, because looking to the left, all the way to the left, the next support is down here. So even though this daily support is here, it's more, I'm looking more for the daily candle to close around there. So end of the day, to push up and respect it, not the lower time frames, if that makes sense. So really I have this big range that's clean, but the daily, it's kind of like yesterday when I was looking at this daily level to be respected, anywhere one of these daily supports, and sort of price came up and kind of respected that level anyway. So I'm looking for something like that, but towards the end of the day. So a drop and then a retracement to close above the daily support, basically. Look at the DXY. This thing is gone. This was a good retest, you know, this 4-hour support on gold. This is a very good retest here. And then rejection. Very good retest. And we have 20 minutes to wait for this candle to close. That was a good drop. Very good drop. What's that? 83 pips. Boom, boom, boom. Trading is so much better with music. Shout out to DJ Caswell. For the stream vibes. Boom, boom, boom. Sorry. We need that closure below. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Well, we got time. We've got time. We have time. Still got 20 minutes left. 19 minutes. The thing is, USD and JPY, they're both the safe haven currencies. So usually when USD is strong or bullish news for USD, it's bullish for JPY as well, for the yen. That's why you'll see that move, like the yen getting stronger or appearing stronger. Alright, we've got the closure below for the buys. Yo. Hello? Nothing, man. Streaming. Oh, cool. You working today? Going to DC. What? How are you not getting a train? Oh my god, so you've been waiting for her? Oh shit, yeah. Oh shit, she's not serious. Day one. When's the next train? Yeah, she's finished. Oh. Oof. Damn. Okay. Are you gonna have reception on the train? Oh, shit. Well, you can message. They have Wi-Fi on there. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah. Let me. Oh, yes. Yeah, Shams. Alright, cool. Crazy. Oh, Roger streaming. Oh, and he's watching Don take a L. Oh no. Roger's the worst, yo, I swear. Roger is the worst. Donvo streaming again is wild. Alright, back to it. Ooh, look at gold. This is what I mean about planning for your news trading, yeah? Having your levels marked out and planning what you're going to do when price gets to these levels. That's how you trade news. You mark up all your levels, because this is what gold likes to do, especially for news. It will hit a key level and then it will reject. I didn't even mark up this 30-minute, to be honest, but I was looking at, it's normally like a 4-hour, to be fair, like a higher time frame one, not a 4-hour, then a daily. But yeah, I wouldn't have taken this, but I'll be looking at this level. If it rejects and holds, I think gold's going to keep pushing up. What am I looking at? Market's getting dumped on. Yep. Oof. Where's Bitcoin? Bitcoin dumping too. Wow. Good Bitcoin. Slow push up. XRP, not bothered. Let's go back to DXY. I thought NFP was last week. Oh my god. Alright, 10 minutes. 10 minutes left. That's when GJ likes to move some more. Oh. is good. This is good. Push below this support. Excellent. This is an amazing looking candle, boy. Damn. How big was this move? 170 pips. Just 170 pips. Oh my god, Don, that's gotta hit your stop loss now. 100% using that 15-minute. What? 100%. Who's using this? 80 pip stop losses. Not here. Hey, that Forex chat. That is hilarious. No, GJ, where you going? The wrong way. option would be crazy work. Oh man. Oh, the 4-hour close too. Oh no. Oh no. Do you know what I was saying earlier about remember what I was saying about the 4-hour creating a double bottom? The 4-hour creating a double bottom. But I wanted it to create it after it tapped the daily support. Oh mate. GJ don't care about us. Come on, GJ. GJ said you've had some nice trades this week. That's all you're getting. Think I'm gonna make it easy for you on Friday? GJ doesn't love us anymore, right? We take too much. Right? GJ said you've had a good week. That's it. No mas. No mas. Come on, GJ. Mas. 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 What's up, cat? Right, where we at? Where we at? 3 minutes. I like looking at it on the 1 hour because we've got the clean support on this 1 hour. But I'm not gonna sell right into this resistance here, so come on. Give us that closure below. Hey, gold D. Gold gets a nice closure above. Might be looking for some gold buys. Alright, forget gold. Ain't no way. Oh my god, it closed right on the support. Oh my god. Hey, you know you don't sit there, move. Oh, GJ is not going to give us these sales today. You know what? I've accepted it. I've come to peace with it. GJ no love me now. You hear that, GJ? Should have put into gold buys. Yeah, GJ is oh, it's a shame. Would have been nice to get a trade in the NY session. Yeah, this support right here is super strong. Just like this resistance is strong. Can't win. Strong on either side. Either side. But yeah, gold buys. One of my friends said 26.90. I believe it. See, that was my target. Buy target 26.90. I think gold will get there. Put on gold. Do your thing. Oh man, I shouldn't laugh. I shouldn't laugh. The worst thing is, even if GJ creates a support right here, I wouldn't even buy up to the top of this range because this resistance is super strong as well. So I need the sells. The daily is still bearish. The current candle will definitely close below. You're going to take an impulse entry as well. You're going to take an impulse entry when it breaks this low. Or you're going to wait for a closure. I need to wait for that closure. But I do think if it breaks this low, that's it, it's gone. you're thinking of it. Gold pulling back some. I'm gonna give it till 2:30. So I'm gonna see how this 30-minute candle closes. You know, just bear in mind it is Friday. Sometimes you get a nice sell-off, but that's usually end of the month. Come on, GJ. And it's a new 4-hour candle too. Come on, you've made a little top wick. Ooh, look at Goldie being treacherous. Forget gold anyway. A break of the low would be good though, only because, well, not only because, but if we break the 4-hour low again, should drop down. If it's just this area has really been holding right here, hasn't it? Lots of rejections down here. It's like a big rejection area. Oh, gold flipped. Man. I don't know if GJ is going to give us this sell just yet, you know. Might be a late one this afternoon. I mean, it's crazy that this is the start of the 4-hour candle and there's hardly any volume. Right after news as well. It's got to be waiting for NYSE open. I wouldn't even mind a continuation candle right here. For the next 30 minutes to drop. I actually think there's more news later as well actually, but they've downgraded it to orange folder. Prelim consumer sentiment. What time is it? Okay, gold popped again. Beautiful. Alright, Judy, there we go. Push down some. So all the volume went with news, right? Oh, as I'm reading that, we're pushing. $33 pip stop loss. Aye. It's about damn time. We're going the wrong way, GJ. Oh my god. Looks like gold was the move, you know. Should have hit these gold buys, honestly. Oh, oof, 28 pip stop loss. Pushing. Alright, here we go. Last 10 minutes of the candle. Can we go back up? GJ, que la porra. I can't believe this candle is just here like this. 99 to 77, 12 pips. Yes, GJ, come on. 8 minutes. Let's push down a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Oh, mate. This candle doesn't close below in 6 minutes. There are no trades on this session. But doesn't mean no trades for the rest of the day. I'm going to keep my eye on it. Still got 6 minutes to break this low. GJ. You know what, can't complain. It's been good to us this week. I'm looking at sales from this 2690 area on gold. GJ is not going to close below for us. But even if this 30-minute doesn't break, still have 30 minutes left for this 1 hour candle. So it's not over yet. It's not really making much of a top wick. I think the sells are still very much on the table. Just need a good setup. And that's all we're missing. Go deep. It's the 4 hour resistance up here. And it's clean above. This was my target for the day, 2718. NFP had been good, 170 would have been pretty much nearly there, but it's so good, so good. Oh, 30 seconds. Yeah, if this candle don't push, the next candle should. Oh man. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm still looking for price to break below this level here. Oh, looks like it might. Go on. Oh, broke the low. That's it. Keep pushing. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm looking for price to push below this daily support down to this next one, and then I'm looking for a retracement and a closure above like 1934 for the day. I'm anticipating that this daily support holds. What was that comment? Just flipped off the screen. The 4 hour was showing you a retest, and I went in, and I'm still in profit. If it breaks, I think it might be a beautiful day. Listen, I hope it does for you. You've been waiting on these sales for a long time. But just based on the 4 hour and these candles, the sales definitely look good, and we've broken the 4 hour low, 1 hour low, all the lows. We should push. It's clean all the way down to 192.9. I can't see it having any trouble getting there, but taking a long time to even push anyway. So who knows with GJ. But guys, I'll be in the Discord. I'm gonna go make some lunch, but I'm gonna keep an eye on it. I'm gonna keep an eye on price and the setups, and hopefully catch a trade this afternoon. But yeah, guys, I'll see you in the Discord. And if not, then Monday morning, bright and early, we'll be back at it. See you later, Rosie. I'm not good with swings, but I've got to keep my patience for this one. Alright, Dylan, we're in the Discord. Links in the chat, yeah? Peace.